Welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is gonna about DIY cucumber gel. As you all know that cucumber tighten up your skin pore and remove the stretch mark. Cucumber is a natural and gentle way to make your skin smooth and speed up your cleaning process. So let's begin. Cut the cucumber and peel off. Now grate the cucumber. These are the grated cucumbers. Now strain out the cucumber and take out the juice. Now add Patanjali Aloevera Gel. You can add any essential oil which suits on you, but I am not adding. As you can see that my thick gel is ready. You can see that my gel is ready. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update. Till then, bye bye.